Hi, good afternoon. It's me again, the Great Kiwinoy. So today is Sunday, 5th of July 2020, and the time now is 5 o'clock. So just giving you an update with my Trellis paving. So I have done on the right hand side of this Trellis today, but I can't finish it because of run out of time. So I will just continue this probably Tuesday. As usual, Monday is our time to look after our grandson. So yeah, I've done all this area here on the left hand side. As you can see, the slope is similar to the left hand side. So I have to redo this area here because it sunk, so I have to raise them and put a concrete mix on the bottom to strengthen the stability. So I consume about a bag of sand today, so 20 kg for this area. At least it saves my time on and cost using these blocks or paving. It lessens my budget. It reduces my budget for this trellis paving. So hopefully next week we have a better time, or we have a nice weather, so I can finish this everything, and then I'm gonna plant on these sides here with some vegetables. I have to clean up everything and then plant for winter vegetables. Yeah, as you can see, the weather is not so good today. It looks it's gonna be rain tonight, but hopefully this concrete already dried before it rains. Okay, to my subscribers, viewers, and people watching my YouTube channel, I hope you like my small presentation, and please stay with me and give you an update next week. So after this, I have another job to do, which is concrete paving. So that's about 6 meter length and 1.4 width or wide. Alright, friends, thank you so much, and I hope everything's fine. God bless you, and please be safe. Bye for now. See you next time.